It didn't escape. That's what they told us. The facility was secure. The experiment was under control. Nothing had gone wrong. But when we arrived, there were no survivors, no alarms, no bodies, no signs of struggle, just silence and something else. A presence, watching, waiting. Weeks earlier, deep in an untouched rainforest, something extraordinary was recorded. A small, floating creature moving effortlessly through the trees. It made no sound, left no trace, disturbed nothing. This was Mew, a species unlike anything we had ever seen. It didn't behave like a predator. It didn't behave like prey. It behaved like something that understood the world better than we did. And when our cameras found it, it didn't run. It looked directly at us, as if it had been expecting us all along. Then suddenly, it vanished. All signals lost, tracking failed, the forest went quiet. Days later, classified reports surfaced. A remote research facility. Off the grid. Unregistered. Inside, scientists had begun something they believed would change everything. They isolated Mew's genetic structure. Not to study it, but to improve it, to recreate it, to build something stronger. Something they could control. But they misunderstood one thing. Mew wasn't just powerful, it was aware. The first signs were small. Temperature shifts, energy spikes, equipment failing without explanation. Then, the chamber activated. What they created wasn't stable. It was evolving, adapting, becoming something else entirely. When it opened its eyes, everything changed. This was not Mew. This was Mewtwo, larger, stronger, and far beyond human understanding. It didn't react with confusion. It reacted with clarity. It knew where it was. It knew what had been done to it. And in that moment, it made a decision. The system logs ended abruptly. Doors sealed, power collapsed, cameras shut down one by one. No alarms were triggered. No one escaped, because nothing chased them. There was no attack, only silence. When we entered the facility, it was already over. No damage, no chaos, just empty rooms. As if everyone had simply disappeared. And deep inside the main chamber, one thing remained. A faint energy signal, still active, still watching, because this was never an experiment. It was a mistake. And somewhere out there, Mewtwo is no longer hiding. It's waiting.